All right, number 4, we want to evaluate the values for the given value of x, and we're going to round to 4 decimal places. So we have 4 parts. We're going to be doing f of x, which is e to the x. These will use technology. So you can do a couple things. We can graph it, or we can type them in one at a time. So I'll just type in the first one. And then I'll show you the graphing part again. And that's off the screen. Come down. So we are looking at f of x equals e to the x. In the first part, we want to do is f negative 4. So what we're going to do is e to the negative 4 power. So calculator, e is in blue above the division symbol, or above the ln, which prompts you to have a exponent. So if I do second and then this ln button, it gives me e, and then I can just type negative 4. And you can do that for all of them. We're going to round to 4 decimal places. So 0, 1, 8, 3. The fifth place is a 1, which is not greater than 5, so this will not round up. So 0.0183. Another thing we can do is we can graph it. So if I go to y equal and clear out what I have, I can just say second ln to get the e, and then just raise it to the x power. And then when I graph it, it'll just give me a curve. As long as these values are within the viewing window, which is from positive to negative 10, I can just input them. So what you have to do is type or click trace. Trace will allow you to input an x value. So now I can input negative 1.1. And then hit enter, and so that's the x value. It gives me the y value right here. So my answer is 0.3328, and then the 7, which is greater than 5, will round the 8 up to a 9, so 0.3329. And then once you've hit that trace, you can just now enter different numbers. So if I want to do 5, and just do that one, I can do whatever. Right now we want to do square root of 11, so I'm going to do second and then the x squared button to get square root, and then do 11. And so this just kind of saves you from having to type the e in once you do to the graphing sheet. So 27, 56, 71. And then we're going to raise it to the e power. So now I'm just going to say second and then the division symbol to get e. So we're going to let x be e. E to the power of e, 15.1542. After the 2 is a 6, so that will round up to a 3. So 15.1543. It's all good.